Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wirelss.com. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and setup of the Rapoo M300S or the M300 Silent. Okay, so as you can see, I have here a wireless charger right beside me, cause the M300S from Rapoo is able to charge wirelessly. Okay, to show you that it's working, I have the iPhone here of my wife, and as you can see, it lights up and then it says it's charging. Okay, so that's very important later, because we're gonna show you that the Rapoo M300S actually charges wirelessly. This is available in Silicon Valley outlets nationwide. Okay, so we're gonna tell you the price later once we are able to unbox the M300S. Okay, so we're gonna start now. I'm gonna use my trusty knife here. Wow! No, just kidding, that's too big. Okay, so we're back to our real knife. Okay, we're gonna open it up now. Oh, I think, I already sliced it. Okay, so we're gonna open it now and we're gonna see exactly how it looks like inside. We don't want to break the box. Okay, so the inside of the box is very simple, not unlike the other brands that they have, other models that they have outside the market. So it comes with the manual, okay, and the unit is just wrapped in box. And the unit itself is covered in what we call the styrofoam or wrap or something. Okay, so there's the actual unit. As far as I know, this comes in black and white. Okay, and inside the unit is a USB charger and a dongle. Okay, so because the M300S, you can use it via Bluetooth or you can use it via dongle. So wait, let me open the dongle so you can see. Okay, that's supposed to go out. Okay, here, and as you can see, it's branded with Rapoo. Okay, the M300S doesn't come with external batteries. Okay, this has a built-in battery that you can charge anytime that you want using your micro USB cable. As you can see here, I unplugged the cable that I'm using for my wireless charger here. The port for the micro USB is in the bottom. Okay, so as you can see, we're gonna plug it in now. Hopefully nothing falls from my table as I pull it. Okay, and as you can see there's a LED light inside. See, okay, so that means it's charging. And also, if it works as the other Rapoo mouses that we've had, when you switch it to the different modes, like from Bluetooth to the 2.4 gigahertz, that should also flash. Okay, so as you can see, it's working, it's charging. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons on the Rapoo M300S. Okay, the DPI engine for this mouse can be set between 600, 1000, 1300 and 1600 DPI. Okay, and the mouse is switchable from Bluetooth 3.0, 4.0 and a 2.4G connection via the dongle, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, we're gonna show you now that it's charging. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in. Okay, as you can see, it turned on. Okay, so we're gonna put the iPhone again on top. As you can see, the solid white light of the LED light means it's charging. Okay, so we're gonna put it down. You need to be able to place it properly. As you can see, I placed it almost right smack dab in the middle. Okay, as you can see, it's charging, and the white light there, oh, it turned off. What did I do? The solid light was on when it was charging. Okay, as you can see now, it's charging again. Let's make sure. See, that means that the device is charging along with the LED light here. Okay, some units will cause it to flicker, like my Poco X3, which is NFC capable. When you put it here, it flickers but it doesn't charge because the Poco X3 is not capable of wireless charging. Okay, so we're gonna connect it now to our MatePad Pro here, okay, so that you can see that it actually works. Okay. The M300S is available at Silicon Valley for 1,200 pesos only. Okay, so this is a Type-C connection. Where's my hub? Okay, as you can see here, I have a hub. So we're gonna put it here so that we can easily switch between. So I can plug in the dongle. Okay, so let's see. As you can see now, cursor is there. Okay, so it's moving right now. So we're gonna. That's because we connected the dongle, and then we're gonna see if it's gonna connect via Bluetooth. If we can see it. Okay. So it's searching right now. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Okay. Can you see it? Okay. Let's move this light a little bit away. Okay. So it's still searching. Okay. Or I might need to. If you're gonna switch from between modes, you need to press here. As you can see, it's blinking, and the mouse is not moving anymore. Okay. So we're gonna search. Okay, so as you can see now, there's Rapoo BT 3.0, 4.0 mouse. Let's try just one. That means you can connect it to two Bluetooth devices and then use the dongle for a different one, like for a laptop, and it should work. As you can see, okay, we'll unplug the, okay, and it works. And so that's a quick unboxing and test of the Rapoo M300S. It's available at Silicon Valley for 1,200 pesos only. And by the way, it comes in 3 colors: blue, white, and black. Okay, so buy it now if you want something that actually works with a wireless charger like this one does. As you can see, it's charging again. Oh, it died. It's charging. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.